Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Motodia iCar Bluetooth. So this one was actually sent out to me for free because I have an OBD11 Pro and that only works on Volkswagen cars. So every other car can't use anything on. So this is the solution. I'm going to use this one instead. So this one can do most cars that have an OBD port. And it comes with no app store, so you have to find your app of your own. There was one called Garage something. If you type in Garage OBD, it'll come up. That's a free one. There's Talk Pro and all that stuff. There's a lot of unpaid and paid apps. The unpaid ones, most of them just let you scan, which is good. That's the main reason I got this, for the scanning part. And there's others that let you code as well, but you'll have to pay for them features. So yeah, but I just mainly need the scanning, so you can clear codes, you can check codes, stuff like that. Right, so Bluetooth. They also do a Wi-Fi version, but this is the cheaper one, but it's free. I can't complain, it's free. So yeah, the Wi-Fi version can go further on. It can do 20 meters, but if you're sat in your car anyway, it's not gonna make a difference. So this will cover this car. From outside the car you can connect to Bluetooth. So yeah, I don't even see what's the point of that Wi-Fi one. It might be faster, who knows. Yeah, let's see if we can actually break this. Come on. Nope. Might need some scissors. Right. Motodia Bluetooth check engine reader. This is normally £16 on Amazon. So yeah, I'll have a link in the description for you guys if you want to buy one, because I've seen a lot of reviews and it's pretty good. Okay, check engine reader, diagnostic scan tool, fault code reader, clear error devices. So 30-day money back guarantee if you want. But if I send this back, I get no money because I never paid for it, so it's not worth me sending back. So this will work on cars after 2001, and if you're diesel, it'll work after 2003 ones. That's good. Okay, so the wireless Bluetooth version has 5 to 10 meters range. Wireless Wi-Fi version has 10 to 20 meters, and it can be used with any apps, any free apps. So yeah, device is a small adapter, blah blah blah. Plug into your device, connect to your Bluetooth Wi-Fi. Yeah, plug in. You don't ever have to unplug. There are no wires. Okay, so after 30 minutes of inactivity, it will turn off. Let me try figure out how I'm gonna get into this. I need something to cut into it. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright guys, I just peeled them off. It's easier to peel than actually cut them. The knife wouldn't even go through the sticker. I don't know what the hell they made the sticker out of, but fucking hell. Right. Can't even shimmy out. Shimmy out. I'm gonna have to open it upside down, guys. Bloody hell, that does not sound good. Oh my god. Come on. Guys, oh my god. They made the world's hardest packaging. First the stickers, you can't cut them, and then this as well. Oh my god. I feel like I'm gonna have to break the box. I'm gonna break something doing this. Come on, can you hear the cardboard stretching? Give me 1 second, I'm gonna pause this video and try fucking jam this out. Alright guys, finally got it open. It took the piss. So this OBD reader itself, it actually looks pretty good, not gonna lie. I think that's the only thing you get in it. Oh, it's black and yellow, you know. So it looks like it says Motorola, to be fair. So you got the USB 2, not USB, what the hell, OBD port thing. OBD2, OBD11, whatever it's called, OBD. Okay, Motodia, and it's a rubber thing, so that's very nice. You can have a good grip on that when you're taking on and off. Okay, got Bluetooth. Oh, these are lights, so they light up. So when the Bluetooth is on, it'll light or flicker or whatever. When it's connected to the car, I'll make another. When it's got power, it'll light up and stuff. Oh, there's a power button as well, but I don't think that's a good thing, because if you have to press it on to turn it on, and it doesn't know to turn on, mine's all the way up there, so it's gonna be very hard to do. I'll have to get underneath the conduit. So yeah, let's have a look what else is in there. Motodia setup guide, I think, quick start guide. Yeah, download a third-party OBD2 app. We recommend either OBD Auto Doctor or Talk Lite. There are many free or paid. Alright, plug it in, that's it, and that's it, man. Yeah, that's pretty much. I think the rest is warranty. Let's have a look. Or it might be different languages. Oh no, the step 3s as well. Alright, step 3, turn the vehicle ignition to on position, leaving the engine off. Yes, we know this. Open your Wi-Fi V-Link. Okay, whatever. You'll be using Bluetooth, so the password is 1234 apparently. Okay, step 5, open that up, connect. These are all your problems if you have any problems, and then it goes into German. So yeah, that's everything in there. The build quality looks alright, and from all the reviews it says it's pretty decent. For the money it's pretty decent, so it looks decent as well. So I'm just gonna take the CE sticker off because it looks nasty, but it's gonna be as hard as them stickers though, I can just tell. So wish me luck guys. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you Motodia for sending this out to me, appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.